powering Autotech revolution, Indie Semiconductor, a leading pure-play provider of next-generation semiconductor and software solutions for the growing Autotech market, is chosen by Thunder Bridge Acquisition Tool Limited, NASDAQ THBR, among 100 attractive targets which they believe is the most unique, captivating opportunity they had evaluated. I agree that the choice is the best, as Indie is highly innovative company having a system solution which is their mixed signal system on chip platform, which enable a diverse set of rapidly emerging automotive megatrends that had reached to inflection point into a diverse application such as cybersecurity, CarPlay, car key, user interface, wireless charging, autonomous driving assistance service, LIDAR, among others. To me, these are the types of roadmaps which are worthy to invest long-term to span of at least 3 to 5 years. It may provide you a return of 5 times of your investment just holding it medium, that is 2 to 3 years. 3 times having it short term, that is less than 6 months or at least a year, or over 10 times of your investment if you're willing to hold it long term, that is over 5 years. Why I say that? Let's talk about it. Because Indie has 4 diversified portfolios in autonomous connectivity, user experience, and electrification. What makes it interesting, guys, compared to other EV-related or autotech companies like Luminar, LIDAR, Hyliion, and QuantumScape, companies that had merged with Spac company, is Indie already had 30 million units of CarPlay shipments at an amazing 65% market share. It also had shipped infotainment and LED lighting. Meanwhile, they had designed or supplied Hyundai's Park Assist, which being aired on February 2, 2020 on Hyundai's Super Bowl ad. Moreover, looking at their investor presentation, Indie had won the designs on vision systems, wireless charging, power distribution, telematics, cloud access, infotainment, and cabin lighting. Meanwhile, Phase 2 kicks off in 2023 when they start shipping their LIDAR solutions. By 2024, they will start their Phase 3 when they bring imaging radar and vision age solutions, AI or ML accelerators. Every PR release on each progress of these services, guys, can cause the stock price to move higher, henceforth increasing shareholders' value. Speaking of value, it has deep sales penetration with 2 billion of strategic backlog while having 2.5 billion of identified opportunities at their pipeline within their current customer list, including Aptiv, Value, Continental, BYD, and Magna. It is operating on rapidly growing market of $33 billion to reach to $59 billion in 2025, or at a compound annual growth rate of 12%, in which Indie had identified total addressable market of $16 billion in 2020 and $38 billion in 2025. However, this research conducted by IHS was reported last summer. This fall, IHS had updated their report stating that semiconductor automotive market will reach by $67.6 billion in 2026 at compound annual growth rate of 7%. Therefore, we can assume that in this TAM or total addressable market would be 43.54 billion using the proportionated share of their 2020 or the 2025 market share or total addressable market, which is 38 billion over 59 billion multiplied by 67.6 billion total addressable total market by 2026. So with that being said, we can expect that they can have a significant year-over-year, quarter-over-quarter sales growth as the need for silicon content on car manufacturing continue to increase due to transition from ICE to hybrid to pure electric, in which cost per content per vehicle would become $4,000 from the current cost per CPV or content per vehicle of $310. Indie had estimated revenue of $23 million for fiscal year 2020, $44 million by 2021, and $204 million, $349 million, and $501 million in respective years of 2003, 2004, and 2025. It gives each investor confidence that the company would continue to scale out, having a projected compound annual growth rate of 85% at their revenue. Meanwhile, their gross profit margin is projected at 40.1% in 2020 to ramp at 53% by 2023 and 59.5% by 2025. This gross profit margin, guys, is in line to their listed semiconductor competitor Silicon Laboratories and Umbrella Inc., which has, in their most recent annual report, their gross margin is 60.93% and 58.02% respectively. Guys, these are the reasons why I buy this stock, which you must have as well. At the price below $15, Indie or THBR currently is a strong buy before it would go over $20. I am sure that it could go up over $15 entering January or during the first quarter of 2021, which is their projected completion of business completion. This company has the moat and high barrier of entry. Indie has numerous products compared to Luminar and Velodyne LIDAR, even to Slab and Amba. To note that Luminar and Velodyne are trading at $35.22 and $26.50 as of the closing of December 23, 2020, while SLAB and AMBE has current price of $125.71 and $93.36 respectively. All things equal, we can have a fair price speculation at the minimum of $26 in the short term, while at the high of $125 in the long run once its gross margin had reached to the level of 58 to 60%, same like with SLAB. As I have mentioned to this video last time, that I'm going to swing some of my OCG stock to THBR, and yes, I already buy or put 100 shares of this stock right now, okay? And I'm going to add more positions as my other swing stocks would earn a high return, or at least a reasonable return for 50% or 100% probably. And then I would add some positions, let's say 400 shares to THBR, and that would be my target holding for Indie long term. I also want to share to you guys that I am using TITR terminal for my charting and fundamental analysis, or my investment research. Here in TIKR, you can find each ticker's fundamental analysis, the company's overview, the news, the company news itself, or you want to see the market news. You also can get the valuation of the ticker that you're looking for, the analyst estimates, call transcripts, public filings, and most importantly, their ownership, which are the institutional investors. Here you can find the detailed financials, either quarterly, annual, semi-annually, and you can find also the currency that is being displayed. You can check their price chart and compare it to other companies. So like Luminar. So you can find the comparison of Luminar and VLDR. Here you can also build your watch list, and also you can build or track your investing gurus. Give it a try, guys, because this is absolutely free. That's all for today, guys. So if you like this video, please click that subscribe button and your like button so you can help this channel to grow. Also, do not forget your notification bell so you'll be keep updated on my upcoming videos. Always remember that I'm dropping a video once or twice a week.